Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have The Box by Fashionista, so let's get in it and see what I've got. Fashionista box is a $24.99 beauty box. It comes out monthly, it flies under the radar, and I like it. It is always filled with things that I want to try. It does come at the end of the month, which is why it's always one of the last boxes that I show, even running into the next month, which it did this month. But I don't mind because we know it going in, and they come every month. It's not like some months you get them real early, some months you get them real late. They come at the end of the month. Let's just open this up and see what we've got. We have our Solace Summer card, which on the back will tell us everything we received. And then on the inside, let's see if we can see any of our products. That is what it looks like. And the only downside that I ever say about this box is that black shred that they use gets all over everything. It wipes off, but it's still a pain in the bottom. So this is a $24.99 box, and this month we have a value of $142.50. We have 5 products. Right on top, we could see I have the Aloysia Marie 3-in-1 Stem Cell System. Aloe Stem Cell Mask with Sodium Hyaluronate. And it's 3 steps. That is pretty cool. So we have step 1, step 2, and then this is step 3. I'll read them in a second. Step 1 is a cleanser. Step 2 is a revitalizing serum ampule. And step 3 is the mask. The paperwork says Aloysia Beauty Aloe Stem Cell 3-in-1 Skincare System, $12.50. Plant-based stem cells, antioxidants, and natural marine and botanical ingredients to cleanse, replenish, and provide intense hydration for skin depleted from environmental stress or travel. It is clean beauty and cruelty-free. I like the idea of this. I'm going to set it aside for winter because in the winter I get so dry that I need something that will help revitalize my face. Next out of the box, I have a Mud Masky Leave Me On Summer Mask, SPF 15. So I guess it's a face mask, Leave Me On face mask. It says anti-aging, so that would imply face. Let's see what the paperwork says. Mud Masky Leave Me On Summer Mask, $45. Lightweight SPF 15, allergen-free formula made with 5 nourishing flowers with anti-aging benefits. Moisturizes without making your skin oily, and it's cruelty-free. Well, let's put a little bit of this $45 mask on the back of my hand. It is slightly thick, but mostly just lotiony. Mostly just lotiony. That took me a couple times to get out. Let's see if it has any scent. That is what I find is one of the things you guys like to know is what is the scent? It's nice. It's very light, kind of just lotiony, very clean. Not floral, not fruity, just a clean lotion scent. I would have no issue wearing this. So we'll put this on all over the back of my hand because they say it's a leave-on. It does feel very nice. I didn't look at the ingredients, so I don't know if I can put it on my face, but I will tell you, I'm gonna do this on the outside chance that you can see this versus this. I mean, this hand, it is softer and the wrinkles aren't showing as much. I think probably with that lighting, there's no chance. I'll check it in editing. Let's see what the ingredients are. There's nothing in here I can't use. Here's my question. If it's a leave-on SPF summer mask, is a leave-on mask not moisturizer? What makes it a mask? I mean, my hand feels very nice, but I don't think I would put this over my moisturizer. I would think I would use it instead. So doesn't that just make it a... Let me know below what you think. Next out of the box, oh, I haven't had anything from this brand in a while. And they did, I used all of that. I don't think I have anymore. They did a hair oil that I loved. And it's the Tropical Naturals Facial Serum. Tropical, I never knew how to say this. Let's see what the inside is, probably a dropper. Yes, because everything they do is a dropper. I like that. Tropical Naturals Facial Serum, $37. A natural, lightweight, non-greasy formula created for all skin types to moisturize, restore elasticity, fight acne, and help with scarring and cell turnover. Vegan and cruelty-free. Well, let's see what is in it. It's so natural. It has hemp seed oil, argan oil, moringa oil, rosehip oil, cranberry seed oil, jojoba oil, sea buckthorn oil, and benzoin. That is it. So there's nothing chemically or artificial in here. I have to tell you, I have so many oils going right now, and you guys know it's just gonna look like an oil if I put it on the back of my hand. I'm going to leave this sealed and be sure I don't have another one before I open that one. Next out of the box, I have a Love Light Lips. I remember seeing this on Insta. I forgot all about this. This is so cool. It is in color Compassion. I don't remember which color I said I wanted because they showed us all of the options of what we might get. We're gonna get in there. I can't stand it. I wanna know if it's a color I can wear because the packaging was amazing. Oh, I got a good one. It's all pink and glittery. How cool is that? I'm gonna show you a couple of things. Let me read to you about it, and then I will show you the couple of cool things, although they'll probably tell us about it. Love Light Cosmetics, Love Light Lips, $28. Healing lip gloss with aloe, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and shea butter for happy moisturized lips all summer. Light up wand and mirror for those touch-ups on the glow. Cruelty-free. So the back has a little plastic piece that says peel off, so let's do it because I bet that's going to expose the mirror. It does. So we can fix our lips whenever we need to. Oh, I don't think my light works. It's very light in here, but still. Oh, I don't think my light works. I've come down here under my thing to be sure. Let me read the box and be sure there's not something we need to do. No, it doesn't say anything. That's disappointing. I walked out to be sure that it wasn't just too light in here, and my light apparently is not working. And that is what it looks like. It is just a very pink lippy. When I put it on the back of my hand, it's just got a nice shine and a little glitter to it. It's absolutely wearable, and it's very cool that it has the mirror. I wish that it lit up. I was really looking forward to showing you guys that. And last but not least, we have a palette, and it is an IBY palette, which I actually wore IBY today. That is a fluke, but I do love the IBY eyes. This one I'm wearing is incredibly neutral, so I like it for that, for days when I'm feeling very beige. This one, however, is called Poolside, so I suspect there's gonna be some color in here, which I definitely have those days too. Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love those colors, the pinks and the purples and also the neutrals. Love it. The top is a mirror, and on the mirror it says, "You are more than beautiful. Poolside." The colors say Poolside and IBY in them. It is IBY Beauty Poolside Palette, $20. What a bargain. Inspired by your poolside parties and summer-filled summer adventures. 12 highly pigmented and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin-protecting properties. Vegan and cruelty-free. Everything we got today was cruelty-free. So I'm just gonna take Sunny Skies, so smooth and creamy. Staycation, Dive In. This is like a Barbie pink. I mean, it's just perfect. And Caliente. I wonder why they did a beige-ish Caliente. This is the Caliente. That is just one swipe of each down my hand. They are very subtle colors, but they're really pretty. And then next we have Splish Splash, Margs. Again, Margs like margaritas, but it's the neutral. 80 and Nice. 80 and Nice. Oh, the temperature probably. It's like 80 and Nice. Get Soaked. These are so pretty. You guys know I love these pinks. Love these colors. Those are so pretty. And I worked this way. So pretty. And in this last row, we have our pops of color. We have Floating, BYO Bikini, No Running. How many times have you been told that? Cabana. Oh, wow. So love this purple. Actually, these two, if you're good, I said this in my last video. I'm sure people far more talented than I could make an incredible eye out of those two. Just one swipe down, and in doing just one swipe down, the BYO Bikini, the bluish teal one, looks a little patchy. Let me go after it again now that oh, totally blendable. You can absolutely make it look better. Those are so pretty. We have the darker ones, and then that is the rest of the palette. I love the IBY palettes. All right, so that is my Fashionsta, the box for July 2021. It was $24.99. Actually, in all disclosure, it was $19.99 for me. If you signed up in the first few months that they were a box, it was $19.99, and when they raised the price, They grandfathered everyone who had been a part of the box before that. So it's actually only $19.99 for me. So this palette covers the cost of the box. But even for $24, this really cute lippy, I am sure that you could let them know that yours doesn't light up if you got one that didn't, and they would send a new one. I'm not going to do that, but I'm sure that they would, because I have had an issue in the past and they dealt with it very quickly. The Mud Masky Leave-On Mask, the Tropical Naturals Facial Serum, and this hydrating 3-step mask hiding the Tropical. So $24.99. This is a good box. That's why I say it flies under the radar. It's not one that everybody talks about all the time, but it's really, really good. I like it. Let me know below what you think. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit that little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps us out there in the algorithms, and I will see you again really soon. Bye, guys.